Hello children, I welcome all the students of class 1 for maths online class. Today we are going to discuss about before, after and between numbers. Alright, in our previous class we have discussed about one sentence, okay, making groups, blocks and all. We have also done exercise 1.1. Today we are going to do from page number 11. Okay, you can take the help of your book as well. So let us start. Let me first explain what is before, after and between. All right, so see, these are before, after and between. Okay, children, please look at this picture. You can see an egg, chick and a hen, isn't it? So the egg is before the chick, right? And the hen is after the chick. All right? And the chick is between the egg and the hen. Understand? That means before the chick is egg, after the chick is hen, and the chick is between the egg and the hen. All right, I think the concept of before after is little clear for you. Now let me explain once more with the help of your textbook. This picture is taken from your textbook. You may also look at your book, students. So before, after and between. See, there are three pictures are given. This is the picture of a rabbit. This is a cat. This is a dog. Okay. The cat is after the rabbit, isn't it? So the cat is in the middle. The cat is after the rabbit, isn't it? After rabbit, what is it? Cat. Now cat is before the dog. Now this is the dog. So before the dog is cat. Understand? Now cat is, and also the cat is between the rabbit and the dog. Alright children, I hope you understood. Now let us learn before, after and between with the help of number strip also. It will be more clear for you. Okay, now look at the number strip. So number from 0 to 20 is given in this number strip. So now look at the number 15. For example, I am taking the number 15. Okay, now what comes before 15, children? Tell, before 15 what? Yes, very good, it is 14, right? Okay, now tell me what comes after 15. After 15? Yes, that's great. It is 16. Understand? Now 15 comes between 14 and 16. Alright children? 15 comes between 14 and 16. Alright? Now one more thing, that is the number which comes just after any number is one more than the number. That means the number which comes just after any number. That means after 15, what is that? 16. That means 16 is one more than 15. Okay? And the number that comes just before any number is one less than that number. That means 14 is 1 less than 15 and 16 is 1 more than 15. In the same way, here I will tell you with a small number. 3 is 1 less than 4. Okay. And 5 is 1 more than 4. Clear? Okay. Now let us do some examples from try this. I will not be doing all. You will be doing. I will just do 2 or 3 and then the remaining you will do by yourself looking at the number strip. Okay. Now look at the number strip and tell me what is the number that comes before 7. It is 6. So children, you have to write here 6. Alright, 6. Now, what is the number that comes before 6? Before 6? Before 6 is 5. Yes. So you have to write here 5. Okay. Now, what is the number that comes after? Okay, I am going to do only 2 from each. The rest you will be doing. What is the number that comes after 8? Tell. After 8, you will be going to the right or left? After means you will be moving towards the right. Right? Okay. So, after 8 is what? 9. So, let us write here 9. Okay. What is the number that comes after 14? After 14 is what? Yes, it is 15. So, we are writing here 15. Alright children. Now tell me, what is the number that comes between 10 and 12? What comes between 10 and 12? 11 comes, right? So, let us write here 11. Okay. Now, tell me, what is the number that comes between 15 and 17? 15 is here, 17 is here. What is that comes between? It is 16. Very good children. Now you have to complete this. The remaining questions you will do yourself in your textbook. Okay. Now I am going to discuss about comparing numbers. Okay. Before, after and between is over. Now let me explain to you about comparing numbers. So comparing numbers is also like you have to compare the number which is greater number, which is lesser number. Okay. So we can compare numbers in 2 ways. That is, we can compare numbers using a number line and also by using tens and ones. Okay. So how we will compare? I will show you both the methods. Alright. So first let us do how to compare numbers using tens and ones. Okay. So this is 2 numbers are given, that is 15 and 18. Okay. So one is in tens place, here also one is in tens place. Both are same. Okay. So we have to see the ones place. So ones place, this number is 15 is having 5 and 18 is having 8. So definitely children, 15 is less, isn't it? Since 5 is less, tens place is same, ones place is different, 5 is less. So 15 is less than. Okay, so we are going to write 15 is less than 18. Okay, or 15 is smaller than 18. In any method you can say. Alright. Now another example I have taken, another number is 13 and 19. This one also we are going to compare using ones and tens. Okay, here also the ones place is same. Okay, ones place 1 tens, in 19 also it is 1 tens. So we are going to see that ones place. So ones place here it is 3 and in 19 ones place is 9. So that means which one is greater? Here 13 is smaller than 19, or you can say 19 is greater than 18. Anything you can say. Okay, so this way. Understand children? Now let us compare numbers using a number strip. Okay, so we can also compare numbers using a number strip. Alright, so a number which is nearer to the 0, okay, a number which are nearer to 0 on the number strip is always smaller. Okay, a number which is far from the far from 0 is bigger. Okay, or you can also think it in this way, that number towards the right side is bigger and the numbers towards the left side is smaller. Okay, for example, I am taking two numbers. Okay, I am taking here 5 and I am taking 10. See, 10 is towards the right, isn't it? Or 10 is more far away from 0, isn't it? And 5 is nearer to 0 or towards the left. So what is the conclusion? That means 5 is less than 10. Okay, children? Understood? Okay. Now, let me also explain with the help of your textbook about comparing numbers. Okay, this is from page number 12. Okay, now how you are comparing numbers here? See, two plates are given. Okay, plate number A and this is plate number B. Okay, plate A, plate B, plate A, plate B. So plate A has some number of mangoes as plate B. Sorry, plate A has same number of mangoes. Okay, that means here how many mangoes are there? 2 mangoes, and in plate B also 2 mangoes. So equal, they are equal. When we compare, we find out that it is equal. Now in plate A there are 3 mangoes, and in plate 2 or in plate B there are 2 mangoes. That means plate A is greater than, isn't it? So greater than symbol will come. Plate A has more mangoes than plate B. In the same way here, plate A is having 2 mangoes and plate B is having 3 mangoes. So plate A has less mangoes than plate B. Alright children, I hope you are understanding. And now this is also comparing numbers. Now pair the objects and encircle the groups which have more objects. So which is having more objects, you have to circle it. Okay, you will be doing it yourself. Just I am showing one. Okay, here only 2 cups, but here it is 3 plates. So more one you have to circle. Here what is this? 4 dogs and 3 cats, isn't it? So this one is more. So you have to circle the more one. So here 2 badmintons and cocks, isn't it? So 4 cocks are there, so this is more. So you have to circle that one. In the same way you will do this one yourself children. I am not going to do. Okay. So the remaining 3 you will be doing yourself in the textbook. Now comparing numbers using number strip. This one I already explained to you. We can also compare numbers using a number strip. Okay. Numbers towards the right side is greater and the number towards the left side is smaller. Alright children, so only this much in today's online class. Hope you enjoyed the class children. Have a nice day. Thank you.